Hello guys, a warm good morning. Okay, it's 3 a.m. early in the morning now. Today I'm here with my another one recipe, and this is called sausage chili. Okay, so first we will fry the sauces like this until it becomes brown color. Alright, after the sauces becomes brown color, fried, okay, need to drop the ring onion that I cut and the fine chopped garlic. Alright, then we will make it fried also. After onion and fine chopped garlic becomes red or brown, we'll mix the capsicum and mix it again. Around 3 or 4 minutes we will cook again. Then drop the slicely cut ginger and the chilies. Okay, then we will mix it. Okay, you can see the color. Then I'm gonna drop tomato paste 3 tablespoons, around 20 pieces of black pepper, whole black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of paprika powder. Then we will mix it. Okay, please be careful, your fire must be low. Okay, so we will cook it on low fire, slowly and slowly. Alright guys, you can see. Okay, then I'm gonna mix the soya sauce and vinegar. Soya sauce is 3 tablespoons and 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. Okay, and we will mix it. After 2-3 minutes, at last you just have to mix the green peas. Okay, it's a green peas. I take it around 200 grams for this 1 packet of sausage and 200 grams of green beans. Then we will mix it slowly. Okay, alright, then we will cover it around 5 minutes. Alright guys, our sausage chili, or you can call sausage peas, okay, it's a sausage green peas, is ready to eat now. Let's go. Alright guys, it's ready now at last. I'm gonna just put the topping by an egg. Okay, guys, you have to cook egg fried like this, but make sure it cook half. If you don't like half cook, it's okay, but if you can eat, if you like, then you can cook half cook only. Alright guys, this is the topping at the center. Okay, it's a half cooked egg. Alright, okay, now it's ready. Let's go guys. You can try it the very fast and the easiest way for the lunch or the dinner. Thank you, have a good day, stay safe, stay blessed. Thank you.